Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Winnie Moses from Parfaire. Today we're going to be interviewing Julia Comil, lovely, beautiful Parfaire babe, and also a lifestyle and a fashion blogger. Julia.
Hi, I'm Julia. I'm a French fashion blogger. I edit the blog House of Comil and I speak about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. And I'm French, based in Los Angeles, and I love, discovering new trends and mixing effortless chic style and cool style.
What's getting you started with the House of Comil?
So I started when I moved to LA. Prior to that, I was in Switzerland and Luxembourg, and I didn't know about blog. And when you move in a new country, it's very difficult to know where to get your beauty treatment, in which place you can have a beautiful brunch. And so when I moved to LA, there was all those blogs about, Los Angeles, how to have fun, what to do in LA, and I decided to do also, because I was doing a lot of research, to start my own blog because I was trying a lot of new places. And also I love fashion, and every day I was sharing my outfit and discovering so many new designers that I didn't know when I was in France, but I thought, it will be very interesting to do that for the blog too.
That's beautiful. So what's really inspires you? Fashion and sharing?
Yeah, so I have different inspirations, and there was all those bloggers in LA. Actually, I think LA was, a big city for bloggers.
It is.
And I was trying to find, a new source of inspiration like Ferrani, Song of Style, Sincerely Jules, so different kind of inspiration. I love movies, I love actresses like Natalie Portman. She's, for me, really beautiful. Jessica Chastain. I love Audrey Hepburn since I am, I think, 2 years old or things like that. So many different things inspires me. That can be fashion, movie, and Los Angeles, the city itself, it's very inspiring to me.
So you're such a gorgeous woman. What's the top beauty secret for a French woman?
So in France, I think it's the same for fashion and beauty. We have to be effortless. We are very concerned about our skin, to have a beautiful skin, ebony skin tone. But we wear also some makeup like foundation, mascara, but it should be effortless, because a French woman is about seduction. Like we say, we are romantic, but I think we like to seduce,
That's a good skill to have.
And Frenchmen like to seduce too, so there is this kind of game, between women and men, and so we want to be pretty, but we didn't put too much effort into it.
You gotta be ready right that moment.
Exactly. So it's all about, the balance between being effortless and being conscious of, its own beauty, and also, the skincare. I think the skincare market in France is very important, and all French women have, their creams, tonics, everything, that make us, glow.
Absolutely. I feel like this simple word of effortless has so much knowledge in it. So what's the top difference between French and American beauty?
French women do a lot by themselves. So we are doing masks, we are doing scrubs, everything in the skincare prevention. We are, using washing our face, using a tonic, then a serum, then a cream. There are so many things into it, and we do it on a regular basis. We are doing so many small steps, but it's not about makeup. You cannot see it. It's very
so natural.
Exactly, natural. Also, we are very conscious of the product that you use. And compared to American, we are not good at hair. I mean, since I moved here, I'm so I feel like I'm not good, doing hairstyle and this kind of stuff. So this is very for me the biggest difference. Also contouring, it's not that huge in France, whereas in LA, it's a big thing.
Okay, so the style and the concern is definitely different. I feel like we also have lots of cream and skincare product. Most of our customers come here getting a little bit confused. They've been trying their best to pick the product. Sometimes, they're treating the condition different for what they're concerned.
Exactly.
Yeah. Sometimes we're here to try to give that a little bit guidance to our customer, and also try to bring them to the higher, better ingredient product to show the best result. That's a lot of education, and a French woman probably started long ago.
Yeah, I mean the skincare industry is very important in France, and each time you go to a pharmacy, you have so many different products. So and my sister actually, since we are 15, we are using cream, and we are always asking, oh, what is brand new? Oh, we want to use that, but the saleswoman will say, no, it's not good for your skin, you should try this one.
Okay,
so
yeah.
we are always asking, and there are so many new things that we want always to try, the new cream. So for me, for example, hyaluronic acid, it's a very good ingredient, and when I tried it the first time, I was 20, and I was very impressed by how active is it and how efficient is it.
Yeah, so hyaluronic acid is one of the very important ingredients which already supposed to have a lot in our skin. So externally apply that definitely give you more radiance, a hydrated look. And that's a big concept in today's skincare industry. Yeah, and a French woman jumped on that, and Julia jumped on that at early age. So that's why the skin is just beautiful and glow. So what's your number one skin concern for yourself?
So I have two. So
Okay.
I cannot, which one I'm more concerned about. I love to have a very evenly skin tone. So to avoid spots, sunspot, dark spots. And for me it's very important because foundation helps, but there are nothing better than, a very glowy skin, no blemishes, all this kind of stuff. So this is very important to me.
Clarity.
And exactly. And the other point will be dark circle.
Okay.
For me, it's very difficult to get rid of it. I don't know why. And every time I'm reading magazines, I'm trying so many creams. It's
mostly under eye.
Exactly.
Okay.
And also I'm very focused on, on my makeup. I will focus on my eye. So for me, it's really, area of concern.
Right. Okay. And what treatment do you do to help on those concerns?
So I did. Actually, I'm still looking for a treatment for the dark circle. For even skin tone, I love actually your SilkPeel facial.
Oh, excellent. I love that too.
It's really useful, and it goes deeply into the skin. But also I have a very sensitive skin, and it's perfect for my skin. I don't have, harsh reaction after that. So it's a good treatment. I also tried the Forma, which tightens the skin too, which is really good. And I know I didn't try it, but you have blue makeup?
Yeah, so it's a clear skin treatment. Beautiful treatment to help to get rid of any pigments, and very, very effective.
And I think since I moved to LA, this is more and more a concern. It was not the case before, but I feel like even if I'm using, sunscreen, there is always, new area.
Very, very much. You are beautiful. As we can see, she's using a very good product, and since very early on, so the skin is just well prevented for the aging concern. At this point, any medical spa will provide additional treatment. It's more preventive at this point. SilkPeel facial is more advanced dermabrasion to get rid of this superficial dead layer of skin, exfoliate, and then Forma goes deeper, give you that tightening, lifting, collagen generation. And then we're adding on to the clear skin treatment to help on the clarity and the pigmentations and damage.
That's amazing.
Yeah, so we're going to get you ready for your SilkPeel treatment today, and that's going to be a wonderful experience.
I know, I'm always loving it and seeing the result after it. I have a brighter skin for days and days, so I'm super excited.
Thank you everybody watching, and follow Julia at House of Comil.
If you have any questions about French beauty or Parfaire treatment as well, you can contact me on my Instagram, Julia Comil, or on my website, houseofcomil.com, and also I am on Pinterest.